Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to create this in OBS to boost your streaming and to engage the viewers of your videos. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So okay, I created a new scene for this particular tutorial. I named it prayer with video. So I already have everything we're going to be needing for this tutorial: a prayer, two prayers, a background, then a video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do now is that let me just delete this. So first of all, let's add our background. So that is going to be image. I can name this one background because I might have a background, another image name background. So that's the reason why I use that. So let's do this, then Ctrl to put it on full screen. So as you can see now, there are some black spaces here. Okay, what I can do is that I can just like stretch this, then drag it back, stretch it again. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm just going to resize this. Okay, we have a nice background, so I'm going to lock it. So that's number one thing. The second one is that let's add our prayer point. So I'm going to add prayer 1, image, let's say prayer, sorry about that, prayer. So I'm going to browse to the image. So let's see this one. I think this is prayer 1. Okay, prayer 1. So Ctrl also, you can see that it's not full screen. So now let's resize this. Okay, so let's create the space here for the video and the the Bible verse, the scripture. So like there's a space here also, so which is also good, and we are going to add our video here and our scripture. So before we add our video, let's add scripture. So I'm going to run. First of all, let's start with EasyWorship. So we are going to use EasyWorship first. Okay, so alright, I'm waiting for the scripture to load. So the first thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to set it to stream to NDI. So it's going to use NDI to stream. Okay, it's already set. Okay, I'm going to come to scripture here. So I'm going to choose let's use New King James Version. Let's use something like, okay, let's look for a long scripture here. Okay, let's use this one. Alright, but before I continue, I would like to change this scripture's background. Yeah, so to something like, let's create another one, a color that's going to blend with that one, the one we created before. If I come to this better here, background color view, so let's change this to some dark red. If we replace it something like this, we might still come back to this worksheet to change something, to change the background. Let's give it a name. Let's say AE. So I click OK. We have a, then set it as default scripture thing, because I have alternate output on. That is why I'm seeing alternate output there. So if I double click this, so let's come back to OBS. Let's add our Bible here, right here. So I'm going to add NDI source Bible. Okay, so let's use EasyWorship Live, this one. Alright, you can see that there is an opacity there, but don't worry about that one. The Bible, so let me just resize the Bible first. So just to make it fit in. Alright, so let's move something here. Though we might not achieve the same result as the one in the picture I show you at the beginning of this video. So let's move this to the left side a little. So we have our scripture here also. So sorry about that. So as you can see now, this is where we are right now. Okay, let's continue. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is that add video to this thing. So if you have a camera connected to this system, you can use video capture, but we are going to be using video, normal video in this tutorial. So let me browse to the video. So we are going to be using this one by doing semicolon. So okay, control to push full screen. Also stop it and start. Okay, let the video start. So I'm going to set the okay. So first of all, let's copy. Don't let us copy it from the top. Let's copy the side. So I press Alt key just to copy that, just to do that. So I can resize the video now. Let's put it there. You see that we still have some there are space at the top here. So okay. Sorry about that. Okay. So I want to make it to be aligned with this space. In this space right here. So first of all, let me check. Okay, we still have, so it's still like longer than the okay, I think that's right like that. So let's resize this. Okay, now let me move it to the left. Let's see that. Add some space on that. Okay, now I think we've achieved something here. So you can add your announcement. I have this announcement here. This one I can copy this, come back to here, paste this too. So you can change this announcement also, the background of this announcement to black, yeah, to red, just to fit this. Okay, now can you see now? Let me push it and see now we've achieved something right there. So we come back to what do you call it? Okay, we come back to this place. Let's say I want to change this prayer to second prayer. You can see here now there's a browser. I can click on this browse, click change to prayer 2. You see now the prayer change. So this scripture also, I can come to EasyWorship here and let's change the scripture to something like this, Genesis 1:9. So you see now everything is changed also, Genesis 1:9. So announcement type, so I think it's moved down. So this announcement type here, let's move it up. I don't know what happened. Okay, so this is how to do the thing. So as you can see now, we've already achieved something. Okay, let's say we don't want to use this announcement. Let's use another announcement that we have here. Okay, announcement. So I have this one, this image. I can paste this one here also. It's the same thing. I push it to live. So same thing. So if it is a video that is playing here, it's not going to like a blank like the way this one is blank. It's because I'm playing video, so the video I need to restart the video before the video can play. You see what I'm saying? So I need to restart the video before it can play. Okay, I think this one is going to help us to like boost our media units in our church even more than before. So I think with this video you are able to grab one or two things. from this particular video to boost your productivity in church. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, like the video, then drop a comment if there's a video or if there's something that you need help on. You can drop the comment, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to read it and I'm going to make a video for you. And we have a Telegram channel and a WhatsApp community group where we share tips on media ministry. Check the link in the description of this video to find it. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.